So we got that septic tank getting dropped off here pretty shortly. Spent most of the morning there, more than we'd like, getting all our grades right, kind of going back and double checking everything, making sure we got proper flow from our leach field irrigation system into the foundation. Super important. Me and Miles are building the field, working on this leach field. Got the boys up front in the machine, setting grade and digging for our septic tank. Like I said, it shall be here shortly. One field down, 3 to go. This 1.5 inch is just basic PVC primer and glue. Midday breakdown. Got everything formed up, super square, super level. Like the height of everything. Got some rebar hung. Now we're gonna tie our dowels. Called in for our inspection on our foundation tomorrow. That way we can get poured here in the next 48 to 72 hours, at least before the weekend. It's Wednesday today. So that's where we're at. And get this thing poured up so we can get these walls formed up and get on to the next one. Thanks for watching. This is number 4 bar, 3 of them, 60 grade. And then it's gonna be a 48-inch wall. Everything's hung 6 inches, halfway between our footer. And this is a 24-inch wide concrete footer. Kind of crazy because it's just a 14 by 60 modular. It is really long. Maybe that's why they engineered it to be 2-foot footer, but you know, in a lot of residentials, 16 inches will get you where you need to be. So it'll be a lot of mud, but not that deep. Wasn't that hard to dig that foundation at all. It took a day. This foundation wasn't even dug at the beginning of yesterday morning. We're already all formed up, ready for inspection. 98 of these things were tied, so hands are bleeding. That wasn't that fun tying those things. Got some speed ties. We're trying to get better and better throughout our system. Oh, when this get poured, we'll take this off. These are our crosses. Keeps it really square, and then our dowels are able to stay hung vertically straight. That way they're not flopping all over the place. Still trying to get better and better every single day, every single pour, every single project. But there's that. So yeah, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Go check out video previous too. Throw me a comment. Tell me what you're thinking. Tell me what you're liking. Just trying to work hard, trying to get this thing dialed in and trying to make great projects, great builds. So like I said, thanks for watching. Thanks for following me, being part of the journey. And we're just going to keep it churning out, baby. See you guys next video.